Hello, young leaders. My name is Peter Melton. First, I want to thank you for all the good work you're doing, to dare to look at the challenges of our day and to co-create solutions so that we can have a more peaceful world. The idea I want to share with you today is about peace and about the two-finger peace symbol that came about in the 60s, originally stood for V for victory after World War II. But a bunch of young people like yourselves took that idea and made that stand for "We are against the war." It became the anti-war symbol. And we know that peace is so much more than anti-war. And here we are 50 years later without a redefining of the peace sign. So I call that the unity sign, where we thought we were separate. We're understanding and realizing that we are connected to all things. And as we come from that loving space, we create a more peaceful world. One of the great things about the unity sign is we can all participate in spreading it with social media. People can record their own videos. You can do your own YouTube video that says, what does peace mean to me? And what does unity mean to me? What does it mean to think that we're all connected with the planet, with the animals, with the stars, with the oceans, and all of it? We're connected to each other. We can start a movement together like those young people did in the 60s. That started a movement for an anti-war sign that has lived on for 50 years as perhaps the most recognizable sign in human history. And as we share that with each other, we're reminding ourselves, but we're also reminding other people, oh yeah, we're all in this together. I invite you to join me. Spread the unity sign. See where it takes us. Let's start a movement. We thought we were separate. We're realizing that we are connected. And here in the heart is where we're connected. And when we come back with that love, we can express ourselves peacefully in the world. Thank you.